just created a post on Facebook or in a Facebook group. Um, Someone is going to be noshing, eating, preparing, juicing, smoothing, roasting, doing all sorts of things. I'm sauteing, cooking, and enjoying. I got lots of celery here. Um, I think I'm going to be starting a new batch of broth as well. So celery, got some English cucumbers, I got collards here, I got green beans, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts I may roast some, but I'm definitely going to slice, shave them, slice them up so that I could make them in a salad like this. Like this. So similar to what's in here, the power blend, the Brussels sprouts, the Napa cabbage, the kohlrabi, broccoli, carrot, and kale. I don't have kale. I have carrots. I have broccoli. I don't have. Well, I do have some kohlrabi, but I roasted and dehydrated that. And not Napa cabbage, but I do have a regular cabbage. But I'm just going to put together, slice the Brussels sprouts, shave them, quite thinly or whatever, and yeah, gonna enjoy those. And this is really good. These are my thing, like a broccoli salad or this a salad with the contents of these is so good, and you can use it to toss as a salad. You can blend it and use it in a juice, as a juicer or as a juice or in your smoothie. And of course, you can cook it, saute it a bit as well. So anyway, so these are the things I have. So and then sweet potatoes and mounds of green onions. Love to saute these in a coarse sea salt and add them to different things as I'm cooking. Oh my goodness, it is so delightful, especially in possibly a toasted sesame oil. So delicious, so good. I love it. I have more onions. I have some grape tomatoes. Grape tomatoes are like my favorite over cherry and things like that. Although I do grow cherry and grape. And I got carrots here, some snack size carrots, and then there are more. What do you call these? Celery. So yep, I'll be busy as a bee. I'll talk to you later. Enjoy. Make sure you're eating something fresh and delightful, and you don't have to be, put yourself in any categories or anything like that. But your plate should have a majority of a plant. It should be majority plant based. More plants than meat, fish, or whatever. And these also have some protein in them as well. So anyway, I'll let you go. The nutritionist is leaving the door. I mean, walking out of the door. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye for now.